let me use the Bible for example now. Shay, you read Bible, you don't hear say Jesus waka for top of water, abi?
Yes, but it's unbelievable.
Thank you. Unbelievable first, but you believe am? Because for me, if na this generation, na capping we go say Jesus, why you dey cap now?
I don't believe that.
Okay. You don't read Bible, you don't hear say Jesus tell Peter. They tell Jesus say, oh yeah, pay tax. Just like say daily goes. Kilo shell now, order. Jesus come tell Peter, say Peter, go river there, catch fish. The first fish when you go catch, open your mouth. Money dey inside, make you can pay tax. You don't see down for Bible.
Yeah, I don't read that. What was that?
Na lamba abi?
Na means. So you know what? You know makes sense.
Okay, so now which I want explain give you that. Those things, you see those things. Now I believe. I pray. I say God, these things, if not true, I want they do one. If these things not true, so I believe I'm so take.
I don't think the police officer pray. I pray. Then I was a chorister.
Wow.
Like you forget my voice. If I actually sing, you go know that sing. I actually sing more than you.
Wow.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
But I was literally staying in the church for almost 4 years.
Wow.
I was a chorister. Like I have this bros there that don't normally come that we do Bible night teaching and stuff like that.
Wow.
This is time. I've done theology to some great extent.
Wow.
Then, so now when it comes to all these miracles and stuff like that, I just think normally the fact that it's in the Bible and it can be actually seen outside any historical context it's making it very unbelievable for me.
There are historical content though. There are historical content though. There are books where you can.
Is there any book where they've written about Jesus Christ and his works outside any other religion aside from the Bible?
Wait, sorry, no verse. Somebody just call my pastor name. Now who be this? Now wow, Pastor Femi tell me back. We have go on. Go on.
So like, is there any historical book or any historian that wrote about Jesus Christ aside from the Bible?
Quran talk about Jesus Christ now. Like
Quran is a copycat of the Bible. We all know that. So we shouldn't take Quran serious in the first place.
Okay, there are many other books that I don't know their name, so I cannot speak for those books. But the only book I know that I can call the name now is the Quran and the Bible. I know those two. Talk about Jesus very well. Any other book, I don't know their name.
Another fallacious book
okay.
To defend something fallacious already. So I won't actually take that as being reasonable.
But you are very educated though. Bros, I send me DM. We'll connect, I beg. Send me DM, we'll connect. No, send me DM. I really appreciate you this evening. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you, bros. Like I'm inspired. I beg, send me DM. Hey, copy his link in case you forget to send me DM. You there yet? Copy this bros link. So I'll please send a message. Thank you so much. I believe you. I believe you, boss. I believe you too much. We need to talk. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Bye bye. Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. Woo! Okay.